Morning, Master Nevi. How you do?
Not too bad, man.
Okay.
Yes, no.
Oh, Lord.
I'm going to go sit down now. Stay nice, son. Go find that tree, then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Oh, wow. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband, Marcel, and there's Trimel, our daughter. And we're at Master Nevi.
All right, that's my bar.
Yes.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, all right.
So the last time, guys, we came, Master Nevi needed a trim.
No, man.
So,
come up, step up. No, step up. Sit there in front, sit there. Turn on.
Oh,
Now one little stool, you know.
you know.
No, man, come on more. All right, sit down now. Right there, sir.
Yeah.
Good.
all right.
Balance.
Yeah.
How you want to cut?
One year, so cut off one year. So,
How you want if you cut off low, clean?
no, like.
One more.
No, yes, sir.
More.
Cut down everything.
To this. So.
You want to cut down to it, up this whole look.
Yeah.
Or you want one more, Master Nevi?
Huh?
One more. You know the style there?
No.
You know with the hair up in at the top and then you cut off the side.
No, here the upper top.
I'll go run that,
You must Nevi.
so.
When I give you no more, I ballet the trim.
Yes, sir. So, just cut everything.
Alright, see, we just go buy this, you know. Yeah, first one it a cut. I'm not sure what in a hit yet.
Yeah, so you just feel it out and you work with the same time.
Yeah, but we don't have.
You need somewhere to put the stuff.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We there now.
Okay, guys, so last time we came, Master Nevi said that he needed a trim and Marcel had promised that he would come back. But this morning, we had to go and get the shear to get one that is rechargeable. Who normally trim your, Master Nevi?
Hands.
Are you walk out there and come?
Yeah, I'm a man.
If you have current with that trim, you know.
Yes, sir. Oh,
No, you have to go get one.
You have to get one with the battery.
yes.
Maybe I could have come back and trim your Master Nevi.
Yes, sir.
Get one battery.
I come back and trim you before Saturday here.
All right, sir. Good. Good, man.
Yeah.
Good. Yes, ma'am.
Because there's no electricity, so went and got that this morning. Really should have come already, Master Nevi, but the rain every day.
I tell you.
Yeah.
Tell you, man. I mean, I got church in here.
Oh, so you never go church?
Yes, ma'am, I still go.
Oh, you go.
But me, like in place when I saw.
You tell us you want trim.
Now, what's I'm happy now?
Oh, so them not see it.
They not tell you nothing.
Huh?
They not tell you nothing, boss. Tell me what watching me happy now.
That's the right one, right blade.
Where brush there?
Which brush?
The brush not come in there.
Oh no, we bought a brush. The brush left. Oh, the brush left in the car.
No, in a car, in a bag, a blue bag.
You have to go improvise.
Ready? That one nothing for spread over your Master Nevi.
No, that's all right, man.
You alright?
Yes,
The hair
ma'am.
I go fall all over you.
You need to brush off it? I no want no shirt.
You have comb?
Put on one shirt.
Yes, sir.
Get one shirt and come. You have comb, Master Nevi?
Yes, ma'am.
Carry comb too, please.
That one not plait here. Where
I
you do it
don't
comb?
know. Me just say.
No comb in my bar.
You have brush, Master Nevi?
No, when I put the shoes brush in your head there, my bar.
Shoes brush?
That will turn you down. And the blade them can change.
Sheer pretty.
If you oil it up in there first, that I use.
What is that?
I'm supposed to come out but not look like no hole. Look at
Maybe I have to punch it. Yeah.
We're not getting no scissors in this. Come bite it for me, Tremel.
Me can't bite it, you know. Give me.
It's not to bite off the hook. Don't bite it because you don't know what in there.
No bite it.
What's your...
Oh, just spit out whatever. Yeah, right.
Oh.
You see that? Whatever, Lord Jesus, those are the glue.
Why that glue? My teeth, that glue in my mouth.
I hate to make that sound.
No one trim thing or what? I do mass Nevi first.
I think you're too close. That's me?
Wow. Go see trim, I give one mark. You want mark? Once you get in, not you? I give you good trim, man, and I give you no under bed trim. Master for me used to be a barber, you know. Yeah, man, I used to work a barber shop at Christiana. Yeah.
Me go a doctor. I'm gonna tell me say boy how you know so me so household food. He used to do that at time.
Yeah.
My daddy was a shoemaker and he used to keep and everything just take care of the last and everything.
What you say take away what?
The last them. And the bloody hammer them.
How take them away? Thief.
Yes, I never cut me no car on them for listen me could man just in them for 2 hours so him dead. I'm have to move I'm never live around this so now I have to care table first. I will move up, you know, and go with them.
You take everything.
All the last things is I have to be the last.
Last, then a last man.
That's when you put nothing, you know it?
Oh, you think a last. Think you last one you.
You know, we took on the fish with.
You had Likkle do mass Nevi, you should have done trim already.
I am most positive.
No, sir.
I forgot to take this a picture mass Nevi.
Yeah.
So at what point you use the alcohol now?
When you're done,
Oh,
trim.
bro.
Spray them up. So you know bump up and stuff there, you know?
Yeah.
Not you, Papa?
You know, burn him if you not get no cut.
No, man.
That time I put
It almost then I cut it here.
you know, cut somebody.
Cut it here.
Yeah. And it good, you know, sir.
I feel this a machine here, you know, Mass Nevi.
I tell you,
You will go buy it for you, know?
man, Lord stand by me.
Every time we come trim you, man.
And when we say, every time you have to pay $500.
Alright, you can't give me $250 then. Yeah, me not take so much. Yeah? Or if you feel that if you can't find $250, give me $1,000 then. Give you back a change.
Yes. I could have it, sir. I said life, this whoops.
I'm clean off around that, not sure. You want it to shine. No, man, no want it
I used to like how you tell me now. I not tell my car tell next would say
Mass Nevi.
July, August.
You talk like I trim yourself. We are going to trim you.
Mass
We know
Nevi,
when
you
they
know,
come.
say the fowl them gone in at the house.
Huh?
The chicken them gone in at your house.
Yes, so they come over here now for me them.
So in your house you live, Mass Nevi?
They come there, the wife have to the mangoes, my friend, the mangoes and them.
Oh, so you make them stay, better them stay than the mangoes, not true?
Yes, sir. Try them, brother.
Try them, not true?
Yeah, look at this one. I come and pull them, you know.
Yes.
Because this one, them try them, you get it like nothing.
Watch it, them a wipe off foot.
You have to feed them, though, you know, Mass Nevi?
Most man. My daddy did
Them a wipe off foot.
When they full of egg. Come on,
Marcel, me I say the chicken them a wipe off foot. Look like them a wipe foot for going to the house.
Yeah, they know, say, Mass Nevi no want no boot in the house.
now where they do?
Okay. A 4 of them. Lord have mercy. Them come out now.
The mother just come and lay. And I hope I must have to, you know.
So you find the nest?
No, I'm going to take in the sick person can come out in the yard. I say, wow, how me have to carry them for and how we didn't do me. What are the most come? Next in the make all. Yeah, we could man lick them don't come in up. Me like when man see animal. Me like care animal brother.
How you do your face, my boss? You clean off everything off of it too?
Yes man.
Clean, huh, Joe?
Yes man.
Yeah, sure. You know I want to line up.
You know what, I circle you and make shape up, you make it look like
No such thing.
that's Nevi.
Everything with them has to be.
So $500 you pay if you cut off everything?
No sir. You man.
How much you pay?
$100 fish here.
Eh?
$300 fish here.
How much you trim?
5.
Oh, so $800 in all.
Yes man.
Oh.
I eat me pay for trim too. Trim and shave.
If my Baba did that train, my Baba train, man, you don't know if you know him. He come from that wood.
I know him, man.
And he used to tell me, man, he was me just in there a Falmouth now.
Oh. Too far to go a Falmouth for them to trim him, right?
Your hero, that go back by the time you reach up.
Me just tell you.
They make it sound like I walk, you might go walk. You know what, Sefi?
Well, good job. You should have that wood. You should see me on the
That's the way I get young boy trim.
Yes, man.
You're not so old, not true?
So like a rain and fall, the light still come on though.
Yes, sir. What we cut off in a part, you know?
Early.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
That's a good thing, man. Hallelujah, this thing, now so you get second light and you have none.
She say you're lucky. I bless you, bless man.
Every time, she don't have none. I said, what?
But she not have a nice solar light.
Yeah.
But she have JPS light.
Yeah. Maybe I'd feel like they come in the dark with a nice storm. I tell you, man. Oh, God.
Yeah, it lasts right throughout the night, not true?
Yes, no. If the sun hot,
Yeah.
it goes strong till around 5 o'clock.
Okay.
But if it kind of like if it kind of cooler now,
Yeah.
half a night.
Okay. It's still not bad.
No, man. But if you tell until 8 o'clock.
Till you go to bed, not you?
Yeah.
I tell you.
Not time you go to bed.
Until 5 o'clock, what you want to
Go lay down in your bed.
Yes, sir.
That early, man.
We are talking about Mass Nevi.
Then we look for at 9 o'clock, we go to sleep.
Are you sleep right throughout the night?
You sleep till around 3 o'clock.
Oh.
Sleep, mom, I sometimes like wonder how you sleep and I have to take a pill.
Yes.
Mom, I sleep till.
Oh,
Sleeping
the pill
pill,
make
thank you.
you sleep.
Yes. Put a pill there so they, you know, they give them pill there. Keep it, you know.
So you can rest.
Yes. I sleep.
Oh, you don't have no problem sleeping. That's why you go to bed so early.
No problem sleeping.
So when you wake, you go back to sleep same way?
Yeah. If you wake at 3 o'clock and sleep here at 4 o'clock, by 12 o'clock, I come back again. You can't sleep again. But I will wake me up every fall, them play up on the roof and I fly down. And I start cackle.
You then roast in your ackee tree? Oh.
Mr. Bino, the chicken could have fly up. So.
Yeah, man.
And then lay down here, when you want to find you next, you know.
You have to watch them, man.
But I don't get them.
Because when you're there at daytime and I do not just stalk them.
Yes, then lay down here, man. If you need to watch, you need to, man.
Watch them. Maybe a dog I eat them.
But you see, if you don't find this dog, you can't find it, you know.
You trim off all of this at all?
Yes.
Everything?
Yes, sir. If you don't find this, man, no dog find it.
I'm not trimming no style, my boss.
No, sir.
Oh, you make me thing look so. Yeah? You know make me thing look bossy, man. Man just want one clean off, so. No, sir, I have to give you one style this morning. Yeah.
A printer trim me again.
Yeah, a printer, yeah, make me look like Boss Nevi. Let me just come for script off some here.
Now get to show up your artistic side.
You know, say real, I see this Boss Nevi. That's something I give it. You see how you run around?
Yeah, sometimes with you, man, I have to say, you know.
Yeah? I know them are going to ask you.
When you trim off everything, they ask who trim you?
No, the barber is trim good, you know.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm trim me.
Yes, man, it's good, man.
They say not to give none of them a type of bald head trim, yeah, man. They're no Kojak.
What that?
No, man name so now a movie.
And my face now grow fast.
The face grow fast?
Yes, yeah.
And the liquor, sir?
Every 3 weeks, I have to shave.
Oh, you're here?
Yes,
I say your face grow fast. I mean, I say, oh, your face so little and it grow fast. Here. Oh.
Yeah, give Boss Nevi trouble for.
Yes, fast. You say, if I don't go like me, you know, me not pay for things.
You have to just lax.
Lord, man. I mean, I like to lax, you know. What's that?
No, you ever lax yet?
No, sir, but me, how long? My daddy never like to do that.
Well, you gone now, so you can't do anything you want to do.
Maybe say that's a good thing.
Nothing wrong with it.
You have to go past this on your face. You go past this on your face, you know, face, you know, good stuff.
You don't love it so?
You will past a beard. Oh, that's so beautiful.
No, but you can't grow me, you know.
Not feel.
I can't feel up your face, man. You know, so say a good trim I get.
And then my face, man, that's something I'm bad, man.
Boss Nevi say you're mad.
Yeah, to me, I know everybody has it.
Yeah, I still have feel up it.
It's not a good look.
Me, you know barber here?
Yeah, man.
No, sometimes I want to trim my dust.
Yeah, man. Now go on,
Telephone me.
Yeah.
Just make somebody call me on the phone if you not see me coming.
I tell me no phone.
No, man, nobody not pass with phone at daytime.
But me not your number.
You know nothing for me? What you say?
My number I got to me to call.
If you have a number, you can get called, don't you?
Most, man.
You write it on a piece of paper again.
Yes, man. Yeah.
You want some of that tall thing that you cut down to? The barber no cut it?
What?
The eyebrow.
The eyebrow up here, so.
What's that mean?
You don't want it.
Everything you clean off on your face.
Why does it look like you well want me cross style?
Ask me if it just spoil up my thing, man. I tell me what kind of trim you want. Let me get you trim what I can do, man.
Well, you must can scrape off all I hear. You must can do that this style there. Not true, Boss Nevi?
Yeah. It's more easier.
Not true.
I will never tell you something come for do easy work, man. I have to work hard for my money, you know.
I must never laugh and spoil the trim.
You can't spoil a bald head, you might get bald face. What you pass Nevi?
No, I didn't say. I mean, you say one of my friends there foreign and soon do contract, you know, and did it. If you was soon living Rasta.
No mas.
Yeah, I said that's not most of you can't show himself.
But you show for yourself because you're not hide.
No, son, I'm not Jamaica. I'm the type of that, Jamaica, I'm born and grow.
Alright, we are going to cut off this now. Everything? Yeah, man. The man new share of your mouth stash, you know, man. Shape up your mouth stash. You want it, sir? Alright, me cut off. Me do it like how you want it.
You must never say, look here.
It already don't go long.
Must never no one out here upon your face, myself.
Your barber must love your man's Nevi. 5 minutes. Them a silver here tough doing a man's Nevi.
Is it not grey?
Yeah, hard off a cut than it regular.
Yeah, they're not grey.
What you say?
Yeah?
So if you hear them agree, then agree.
Oh, you know the mirror man's Nevi?
Nobody can see it myself. What kind of mirror you ask for?
Yeah, we can't see it, man. Yeah, when last you see yourself?
Actually, I don't mirror.
Oh, if you have the mirror, you will see it?
So a long time you don't see yourself, not you?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you, take one picture of you, show you. No, man.
Alright. You take one picture of my Nevi when you're done trimming.
Yeah, man, I have to make him so and look like. You want one mirror? May I buy one mirror for you, man? Next time we come, we carry one mirror here.
Yes, sir.
5-1.
And your wife, you can walk out something behind the back.
Yeah, what me did say now?
Some plate.
Oh, yes. That's true.
You have to remind me when we come in last night because sometimes.
I have to say, I have to set it down, but you have too much fun.
I'm going to set it down right now. Chimel, you set it down. Plate for Mass Nevi.
I tell you, say.
How can I plate you
I
want,
remember saying
Master?
the dash in fork.
Look here, when I make it look so me did dash for Mass Nevi fork. Me remember the fork never good.
Yeah, man, we know.
You know what you say? So if you
Then
bring
the
your
rusty.
fork and plate, Mass Nevi, chalk plate you want or plastic?
Yeah, but plastic, man, but I chop it too much.
Yeah, man, but when you must get one next one, man, not eat out a plastic plate, man. Get one good chalk plate, one heavy one. One for soup and one for regular, you know?
Mass Nevi, you don't get none of the ackee off the tree.
No, up to Friday, I want brother come there to pick up. And that's it. Look at one. If we have to get here, I can't get no rubber, but pick him on.
So when
So
the
not get
left,
none?
No, give me none.
if up in Aki, they pan me pick some for you, man.
No, the point you know.
Oh.
You know, we know carrying to the Christmas. Yeah, then we have to make to ground.
Oh, but ackee is on it now, you know, it's just that they're not open.
Yes, no, then be down to the ground. You can show us up to you, can get no more for them. Just come in and pick and do again. But Mr. Never want to learn something. I want to put this one here to say how we live in Chilani and people just transfer. And look what Chilani is a fruitful place. If you never, if I never marry, you don't want nothing. You do it quickly.
Actually, you're calm, you know?
Yeah, man.
You just go and do as they like.
Right. Just come in and and the lady, well, put me up a little now, molest me.
She's not in trouble, you know.
Man say nothing in that, and if you go and what say, and they might come and molest me. But, you know, it's everything in time.
Time, man. Time is the master.
Mass Nevi look new. Should I get a picture of Mass Nevi before you start trim? So you have one before and after.
I guess you get on the camera. Can't take coffee, but you not go see it that time.
I watch him again for Christmas.
Yeah, come trim me for Christmas, man. I talk about.
No, no, go on here.
You hear and grow fast?
No, sir.
Eh?
Like you see, you to me, I know.
Yeah.
Not till around August again.
August?
Yes.
Next year,
Yes,
August?
sir.
You know which month we in?
You know which month in the mean?
Which month we in?
November.
Are you not trim till August next year?
Yeah. What chance if I not?
I work out and I trim myself. I will country me.
But you say here now grow back till next. Here grow slow.
Oh. I'm a baby, I have to go fast.
Oh.
You know, when we trim, upon last year, you know.
Last year when?
Near to Christmas, when they September.
Your
What
Baba
you
no love you then,
saying?
man. Because once in a while you go Baba.
But when you go there, appreciate them, I say, boy, I'm here to watch him.
So if you head now and trim,
Yeah, I tell you, here to watch him. But then I like him, she will be here, you know. They like him, you know.
you get
But more money.
more money. Yeah, how long your head so far? You afraid of it?
Afraid of cutting.
No, cut you. And a razor blade we I use. So Master Nevi, you could have shaved yourself with your long razor?
No, but they sharp is that
No man, the one with the hanger. You use that?
Yeah.
You can shave your beard if you get that? They say beard grow faster.
Yeah, man, go fast. I like when I say, and you carry glass too. Yeah, alright, man.
Yeah, go on shaving cream too. May you soap.
One thing you know what I used to do? They used to have one thing that you put on your face. You know, a hole right here.
Come off.
Come off. Yes. We forgot what they call it.
Is that type of shaving cream?
Mostly, you know, you just take it out and take it and wipe.
Oh, and then you wipe it off afterwards.
It's to come off, man. How many start again?
You know if you see it.
If you
Baba
see it, you
eat
not
some
get to
food.
trim him.
Yeah. Good trim I get in my boss.
Boss, that's the one.
Yeah, chat about man.
Christmas, I know.
Christmas trim fine in November, no Joe?
You know, it's not going to shame me, I go on this year.
Sure. First ever see you some ass Nevi. Fresh, no Joe? Ready for your road.
When I was young man, boy, and a buff man. To me, never nice.
You did nice, no Joe?
What?
You did nice too.
Well, I dance and we don't come into that daylight.
Oh yeah, sir. You miss that?
You know, miss it.
Oh.
But then you could have spent your time nice when you couldn't do it.
You have to spend the time with God now, man.
You go to club and their club all the time and nice time. But you have to spend a nice time when you're young, you know, sir. Yeah. Well, I wait, until you're young, you have to spend some time.
So you live some sinful life first.
Yes.
Yeah, no, so if you go down
Because you start serve God, the better for you though.
But that time you have to spend no life for you know, enjoy yourself.
It makes sense to try to enjoy yourself in a sin, my boss.
No, but when you talk when you're young.
Nah, man.
But you can't serve
Remember
God
say-
when you're young and enjoy yourself same way.
God say,
Don't
young man,
take-
I call upon you when you are young, you know, and strong. Nobody wait till when you walk with a little piece of stick in front of you there. You run to God, because you can't do nothing for him that time.
So we got a long time, long years now. 20 years now.
Yeah.
Maybe a Spanish town. I live at St. John's Road. And we used to go and split our sentence over that. So that is the person you're going on. That's the person you like. I'm not little boy, I'm not telling you what I did with her.
So she tell you about it?
Yes, she did what me yard, you know, when you see her Friday evening, 10 minutes water. By 5 o'clock, you put up, you know.
And that's why you go to bed so early, man.
Yeah, nothing.
Because every day you think of Friday evening.
No, what if you want? If you want, no. Where you going to? No. Yeah, somebody can't do what you know.
So when you go in your bed like all after 5, where do you shut your eye?
Then you take me.
Oh, Jesus.
So it not take you long before you fall asleep.
I sometimes, when you go down, I'm going to night, I'm going to let me do it for. When we jump up one night,
Oh, so you fall asleep. Must never have no trouble sleeping.
No,
You can't give me some.
oh, yeah,
Somehow.
You sleep.
some man make life confuse him.
Yeah.
And that, you know, when you can't sleep, but you love to make them trouble.
I'm not confused, my boss.
And you consider hard.
You have to consider about you.
Yes, but
That's why you can't sleep.
Yeah,
I must never be up here sleep.
Hey, what we probably say do set for you, we don't get to come, we have to consider. And consider the road, we have to chat to come up.
I don't know that you have to consider reason you can't sleep. Some people want to sleep and have to sleep until they have to take, you know. The things that you want night only. People have to sleep until they have to take when they want to sleep. Yeah. I mean, I know why. If I can hold me asleep, I'm deepest sleep if a man come across me now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You done you know, Marcel?
You look so.
Come in
Last
the
time we get a trim here.
See, you still a trim, I mean, see no here.
Yeah? You know, so you're not supposed to skin me a cut.
Master, you look good.
Yes, man. Young, no, I'm married again.
Not true, you did married already? You did married already?
No.
Oh, I know, again then you're done married. Oh.
People we married to you same way, Mass Nevi.
Lord God.
And then just want one little company, you know?
You know, I love. I love everything, you know.
Yeah.
And the money you know. Love, some people just love you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's true, man. Love, man. And for you, you know, quiet and honest to them. You know, nobody will come, you know.
You done you know.
Yes, Lord.
So you done married at this age, Mas Nevi?
Me? Most of them got church and them say, a sin when you have sex outside, you know, most married have married.
Yeah.
What kind of sex you would want to have now, Mass Nevi? You know, say up in that age.
Up in
Yeah, baby boy, you know.
Man in the 60s and 80s, I have children. Yeah.
No, but that's trouble, Mas Nevi. If you want married, you can stay.
And somebody who want them responsibility more the younger want them. You know, no responsibility, you know, no life.
So you want a wife, Mass Nevi?
Yes, sir.
Mas Nevi say yes,
Mass
sir.
Nevi say you want a wife, guys. We're gonna get Mass Nevi a wife. What kind of wife you want, Mass Nevi?
That's why you love her love. What it is, probably the part from you.
So, but
What it is.
everything will go come. She'll come with love and then you get the riches, not true? Don't run down the riches, run down the love, not true?
The man have 10 cars in the yard and stick in the house like this. And why you never able to change for a doctor?
When I can't carry him.
No, no, they pay them.
We cut down some other sitting here without we blind you.
So they, same as they come so, the care man you know dead. So they could have came to him again. Doctor could have seen him again.
Too much caring have, not you?
Not so much care I have in
No love.
No love. So we have to see.
Yeah, you look better, so.
Yeah, man, you are the general, my boss. You mean? Me and you go church tonight. A church, me going to mass Nevi, me not go a party.
It's a me go party again. No talk say, you're young in the party. Oh, you think you're not going to say no?
Me not tell no lie. If me tell anything me tell you, you're not gonna have no way to find out. Cause pass. But the thing you go down the road, go question nobody about me.
No matter that.
Mass Nevi safe when you're young, you never used to go a party. You know, so you're all now, you know.
Yeah, that, you know.
One of the times, I try, brother. I used to swing, you know. Try now, swing again, you know. Try when you used to me and try. When you go to last people.
You don't let in there.
I can bring the whole.
A party.
The whole in the place. I'm a party one Saturday time.
No, the place is busy.
You know, my friends, you go to try nothing once you know it. Because I never tell you last. I will tell you that I have there.
People are stay home now, Mass Nevi. They must stay home now.
I tell you, man, you know, fancy to, no fancy to.
Them there 4 days.
Yeah.
Now because I say me old, but me never in them era there, you know.
No, me not say you old.
Then if you ask me, say me never used to go a party when me young.
No, you must be younger.
Marcella, we are trim again.
That's a refine, you know. Yeah, I think Mass Nevi have a problem, you know. I know, say he might get one good cut. Yeah.
I might just cut me back to me.
You see me, I say?
Ah.
So we all have to wear water boot come at your place today.
Yeah.
Me go to Saturday water boot me everywhere. Go down the to
Alright, me done trim you now, my boss.
That's you, Mass Nevi.
Me I spray up you. You want alcohol?
Yes, sir.
You not forget no alcohol.
Yes, mama.
You love your alcohol?
That's spray.
That's spray, man.
But I have two new I'm going to tell you alcohol. I'm going to tell you this year you action different.
Oh yeah, first one you trim.
Yes, I know.
Me I spray you still.
Okay.
Give you a little bit of alcohol.
No bump from the face.
No, but
Yeah.
that game too much.
Shut your eye, my boss. Shut your eye. Shut your eye.
Ah, it a burn you? Ooh. All
Hot,
right.
you know, Mass Nevi. Hot. Nice. Are you that, my boss? So you just take off this and dust off here. And you're good.
All right. That's it, Mass Nevi. Are you that? All right. So that's it, Marcelina. Go do nothing again, you know.
Promise made.
Promise.
Promise
fulfilled.
delivered. All right.
No, sir. Yes.
Rain, man. Too much rain.
Yep.
Coming at them and muck.
Yeah. Yeah, we bring you some additional tin stuff because we know they want the tin stuff what we bring finish.
I never get no sugar.
You didn't get no
See,
sugar?
me just ask you if you
The
need
master was
sugar.
asking me this morning if he did get sugar. Oh, but we bring you the salt and some tin stuff. You have to go work out the sugar part.
Me I try if you remember. Come here, say, I don't know if you can get sugar. Sorry about that, yes, sir.
Give me your phone number now.
Yeah, man, I will get it on a piece of paper. Oh, me? I know me one. Better depend on the lady.
You have
Yes.
luck with lady.
Yeah, lady, if you depend on my boss.
Alright, guys.
See me water actually for it.
Yes?
Yes,
Why she give you?
all the church there.
Why she give it to you?
Hello.
That's true, she have it.
You know that?
Ehe.
I didn't know him.
Alright, guys, this is where we end the video for today. Mas Nevi looking slick.
Yes, and thank you to look. Once you marry you deal with me.
Yeah.
That cook, righteous brother.
Yes, man.
God of sincere.
Yes.
I have no bad mind in my heart, I will keep it.
Yeah, man.
Heart clean.
Yep.
If you forget I'm God on the mission, I'll come to see God here. No, I'm not see God here, so. You have a clean hand and a pure in heart, man.
Yes.
I just be black out here and your heart no clean, no make sense you go, you know?
Yes, that's true.
Oh.
Yeah.
No make sense you go when your heart have to clean and pure. You see God.
Yeah.
God put all our power out as live as brother and sister.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, you think the world will run so I have a Likkle? Nobody have gun. When me there Likkle, that's why I say me glad the days me born.
Yeah.
No gun, you see. I'm going to put them button.
Mm-hmm.
No,
You better.
they no most. No. No, what will happen better.
Alright. Alright, Mas Nevi, we're gonna leave you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man.
Take off this.
Every time you have to take off your mic before we're ready to go, I will happen to you.
No, but
No one will left it, man.
I want you left it, but
Yes.
you tell me say, then you don't want to
We
leave it.
don't left it.
Oh. I didn't tell you to come back again. I don't take off it. Me just say,
No say nothing.
Yeah,
I
alright.
see, we're gonna go where left it. Then we have to
Take
come
off
back.
your mic.
We have to come back before time.
Yes, all right, so good.
You think we are left it?
Yeah, well,
Alright, guys, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
yes, bye-bye.
Alright.
Blessed love, guys.
Yeah, man.